Dhanteras. Celebrated 2 days before Diwali, it is so much more than buying gold or silver. It is about inviting abundance into our lives, celebrating health as true wealth, and acknowledging Dhanvantari, the divine healer in Ayurveda. Dhanvantari, who brings well being and longevity. This day encourages us to reflect on health and balance. Things we'll delve into today's Winter Arc Challenge. Hello and welcome to another episode of Luxury Unplugged. Today, as we embrace the auspicious festival of Dhanteras, we're not only talking about prosperity, but also diving into a meaningful challenge, the Winter Arc. In this first Winter Arc challenge, I have already shared the three goals that I am focusing on for health. So during this reflective time, inspired by the essence of Dhanteras, here's today's video. Join me as we dive into the festivities of Dhanteras in 2024 and see if I can uncover the secrets to attracting good fortune this year and share it with you. Dhanteras is a significant festival in Indian culture. It is often associated with wealth and good fortune, and it is a time when people come together to celebrate the triumph of good over evil and to welcome the goodness of wealth, of Lakshmi Ma, and prosperity into our homes. While many of us look forward to Dhanteras with great enthusiasm, there are some who feel uncertain about its significance in 2024. With the changing times and the evolving nature of our festivals, it is natural to wonder if Dhanteras still holds the same importance as it did in the past. Some people also think that the festival is just an excuse to buy new things and indulge in lavish spending, without really understanding its true meaning. Others might believe that Dhanteras is only meant for the wealthy and it doesn't really have any relevance to their own lives. And then there are those who might feel that Dhanteras is just another festival, one that gets lost in the chaos of our daily lives because there's so many festivals to celebrate, right? But what if I told you that Dhanteras is so much more than just a festival? It is actually a powerful tool that can help you attract good fortune and prosperity into your life. That's right. Dhanteras is not just about buying new things or indulging in lavish spending. It is about creating a mindset that welcomes wealth and abundance into your life. It is not just for the wealthy, it is for anyone who's willing to put in the effort to make positive changes in their lives. So let's explore the traditions of the Dhanteras and see how they can help us attract good fortune. Now, one of the most significant traditions of Dhanteras is the purchase of new utensils and silver items which are believed to bring good luck and prosperity. There is a ritual of cleaning and decorating our homes. That is another important tradition which is meant to welcome the goddess Lakshmi and to remove any negative energy from our living spaces. And let's not forget the beautiful lamps and diyas that light up our homes during Dhanteras, which symbolize the triumph of light over darkness. With the stars aligning in a unique way this year, many experts believe that Dhanteras could be a pivotal moment for prosperity and good fortune. According to some astrologers, the planets are in a favorable position, which bring a surge of positive energy into our lives at this time of the year. And with the right mindset and intentions, we could harness this energy to bring about real change and transformation. This Dhanteras let us not only honor the external wealth but also the wealth within. Let's talk about how to integrate this mindset into our Winter Arc challenge. Now, getting to my top 3 goals. Physical health renewal. To honor the spirit of Dhanteras, let us prioritize health. let us prioritize physical well being. This means integrating daily exercise, mindful eating, and rest. A reminder that our bodies are our first foundation of wealth. Mental clarity and peace. Second winter arc goal that focuses on mental wellness. Now I'm setting aside time each day, perhaps just 5 minutes, for quiet reflection, meditation, and gratitude. Essential practices for creating a calm mindset in the midst of a busy day. The third goal is spiritual and emotional growth. So finally, I'm dedicating time to connect more deeply with my inner self, strengthening the emotional resilience and nourishing the spirit so that I feel a sense of peace and joy every day, every moment as I move forward. Now, these are the three intentions I'm working on my winter arc challenge. What are yours? Comment them down below, and I'd love to talk to you about them. Let us honor these challenges and let us honor the wishes that we have for Dhanteras in the both material and the spiritual realms. As we prepare for Diwali, there are few ways to make Dhanteras truly meaningful. We can reflect on our inner wealth, spend a few moments appreciating the inner richness that we hold, whether it is knowledge, skills, or relationships. We can cleanse and decorate, and when we are doing so, we decorate our spaces with lights and flowers, inviting positive energy and beauty. We set goals for growth. Of course, we do that for Winter Arc and otherwise also. But when we do so, we set the intentions that we wish to bring in more growth by nurturing health, prosperity, and a happiness mindset. And we appreciate every moment with family and friends, acknowledging the blessings that you and I enjoy already. So, if you liked this episode and you resonated with it, don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with someone who might be inspired by this Dhanteras message and the Winter Arc Challenge. Wishing you all a blessed Dhanteras, a meaningful Winter Arc, and a radiant Diwali season. Until next time, stay tuned, stay inspired, and let's embrace the season of growth and prosperity together. Signing off, this is Neeti Keswani for Luxury Unplugged podcast.